Do you often find yourself overwhelmed by your to-do list? Is there never enough time in the day to accomplish everything you want? If so, you're not alone. But fear not, because in this video, we're going to teach you how to master time management once and for all. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of time management and sharing 10 actionable tips to help you master your schedule and take control of your time. The first step in effective time management is setting clear goals. Take some time to define what you want to achieve and break it down into smaller, actionable tasks. Having a clear direction will help you prioritize your tasks and stay focused on what matters most. Not all tasks are created equal. Learn to prioritize your tasks based on their importance and urgency. Focus on completing high-priority tasks first, and don't be afraid to delegate or eliminate tasks that aren't essential. Creating a schedule is essential for effective time management. Whether you prefer a digital calendar or a traditional planner, find a system that works for you. Block out time for your most important tasks, and be sure to include breaks and downtime to recharge. Time blocking is a powerful technique for managing your time effectively. Allocate specific blocks of time for different tasks or activities throughout your day. This helps you stay focused and prevents distractions from derailing your productivity. Identify your biggest distractions and take steps to minimize them. This might mean turning off notifications, finding a quiet workspace, or using tools to block distracting websites. Eliminating distractions will help you stay focused and make the most of your time. Learning to say no is essential for effective time management. Be selective about the commitments you take on, and don't be afraid to decline requests that don't align with your priorities. Remember, saying no allows you to focus on what truly matters and prevents you from spreading yourself too thin. Setting deadlines for your tasks helps create a sense of urgency and accountability. Break down larger goals into smaller milestones with specific deadlines to keep yourself on track. This will help you stay motivated and ensure that you make steady progress towards your goals. Don't forget to take regular breaks throughout your day. Taking short breaks can help you recharge and maintain focus and productivity. Whether it's a quick walk, a stretch, or a few minutes of meditation, find what works for you and incorporate breaks into your schedule. Regularly review your schedule and assess your progress toward your goals. Adjust your plan as needed to stay on track and make the most of your time. Flexibility is key to effective time management, so don't be afraid to make changes as circumstances evolve. Finally, remember to prioritize self-care. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is essential for maintaining productivity and overall happiness. Make time for activities that nourish your body, mind, and soul, whether it's exercise, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. And there you have it, our top 10 time management tips to help you maximize your productivity and achieve your goals. Which tip are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on personal development and productivity. Until next time, happy time managing.